Hello kids! Today in Super Child we'll be learning about less than, greater than and equal to signs. So when two values are equal we use the equal sign. Here 7 is equal to 7. Also when one value is smaller than another we use a less than sign. 5 is less than 10. And when one value is bigger than another, we use a greater than sign. In this example, 10 is greater than 5. So, you all might be thinking, how can I tell those signs apart? Well, I'll explain a trick and you will get it very quickly. Understand the sign from left to right. On left there are two dots while on right there is one. So, 2 is greater than 1. Also understand the sign from left to right. On left there is one dot while on right there are two. Here 5 is less than 10. So, let's learn with some more of examples. See kids, there are 2 carrots. And on right side, there are 4 carrots. So, 4 is greater than 2. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 cupcakes. And on right side, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 cupcakes. So, 6 here is greater than 4. See, there are 3 bunch of bananas. On the left and on the right also there are 3 bunch of bananas. So, 3 is equal to 3. On the left there are 5 balls. And on right there are 3 balls. So here you can say 5 is greater than 3 or 3 is smaller than 5. Now kids, let's practice. Greater than sign, equal to sign and less than sign. 2 and 8. So what will be the answer? Yes, 8 is greater than 2. Now one more example, 11 and 7. So you can say 7 is smaller than 11. With one more example, 6 and 3. The greater than sign will come near 6. Yes, 6 is greater than 3. Now you all see the answer 2 and 2. Very easy. Here we'll use an equal to sign. 2 is equal to 2. Hooray! I think you all did it. And I'm sure you all have got it.